If the weight of 5.6 liters of a gas at STP is 11 grams, the gas is 5.6 liters, 11 grams means 22.4 liters, how many grams? It will be 44. Phosphine is pH3. Nitric oxide is NO. Nitrous oxide is N2O. Phosgene is COCl2. N2O molecular mass is 44. Rest are not equal to 44 because Cl2 itself is 71. pH3 it will be 34. NO will be 14 plus 16. It will be 30. So right answer nitrous oxide. Number of millimoles of 1 gram of water. Number of moles formula is mass by molecular mass. Mass is given 1 gram here. Molecular mass is 18. If you want to calculate the millimoles, just multiply by 1000 because 1 mole is equals to 1000 millimoles. This is equals to 55.55. 1 mole is equals to 1000 millimoles. Which of the following contains maximum number of molecules? As we already discussed, maximum number of moles is maximum number of molecules. 4 grams of hydrogen, 2 moles. 22.4 liters of oxygen STP is 1 mole. Direct statement. Carbon dioxide obtained by heating 1 mole of calcium carbonate CaCO3 on heating gives CaO plus CO2. 1 mole gives 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So again 1 mole. 4 gram of helium, 4 by 4 is equal to 1 mole. Helium atomic mass 4. So 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole, and your answer is 2 moles. Total volume of mixture of 2 grams of helium and 7 grams of nitrogen under STP conditions is 2 grams of helium is 2 by helium is atomic mass 4. So 1 by 2 moles of helium. 7 grams of nitrogen, 7 by 28, 1 by 4 moles of nitrogen. So total moles will be 3 by 4 moles. 3 by 4 moles total. As we know, 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter. 3 by 4 occupies 16.8 liters. The number of atoms present in 10 grams of CaCO3. Number of moles is equals to mass by molecular mass. Calcium carbonate molecular mass is 100. So this is 0.1 mole. Means 0.1 into Avogadro number of molecules. And here calcium carbonate contains 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygens, total 5 atoms are there. If he is asking number of atoms, just multiply this 0.1 into n with 5. This is 0.5 n. Atoms are present. Maximum number of atoms are present in 14 grams of carbon monoxide means 14 by 28 is equals to 1 by 2 mole. Each molecule contains carbon monoxide, 2 atoms. He is asking atoms here. So into 2, that is equals to 1 mole atoms. Check all like this. 2 grams of hydrogen, 2 by 2 is equal to 1 mole. Hydrogen means H2, 2 atoms are there. So 2 mole atoms. 11.2 liters of nitrogen, 11.2 by 22.4. This is equals to 1 by 2 mole. Nitrogen means again 2 atoms, N2, 2 atoms are there. So this is equals to 1 mole atoms again. So 1 mole here, 1 mole here. Is asking maximum. So these two options have gone. 1.5 gram atoms of helium. 1.5 gram atom is 1.5 mole into Avogadro number. 1.5 n. But here we got 2 moles. So this is your answer. 37th question. The total number of valence electrons in 4.2 grams of nitride ion. Valence electrons he is asking. Nitride is n minus 3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. but he is asking only valence electrons, so 8 valence electrons are there in each atom, and given is 4.2 grams. So number of moles is equals to mass by atomic mass. Nitrogen atomic mass is 14, so this will be 0.3 moles. 0.3 moles, each contains 8, so 0.3 into 8, that is 2.4. 0.3 into 8 is equals to 2.4. Each nitrogen has 8 electrons into Avogadro number. 8 grams of oxygen has the same number of molecules as 8 grams of oxygen means 8 by 32 is equals to 1 by 4 moles. So you need to check the same because he is asking molecules. 7 grams of CO, 7 by 28. 22 grams of carbon dioxide, 22 by 44. 14 grams of CO, 14 by 28. 44 grams of carbon dioxide, 44 by 44. So he is asking 1 by 4 moles, so this is 1 by 4. The number of Cl minus and Ca plus 2 ions in 222 grams of CaCl2r. See, calcium chloride molecular mass is 111. Mass is 222 divided by 111, it is equals to 2 moles. Means 2 CaCl2. So 2N calcium plus 2 ions. 2 to the 4 NCl minus ions. Is asking Cl minus and Ca plus. First Cl, then Cn, option 1. 1 mole of CO2 contains. 1 mole of CO2 contains. There are 3 atoms, 3 mole atoms. Any option like that? Otherwise, 2 mole of oxygen atoms and 1 mole of carbon atoms. So 1 mole of carbon atoms is option given here. Total atoms, if they are asking 3 mole, in that oxygen 2 moles and carbon is 1 mole. Maximum number of electrons are present in. This is one very interesting, you see. 2.24 liters. 2.24 by 22.4 is equals to 0.1 mole. Correct? Now what you need to do is, SO2 contains 0.1 mole means 0.1 into N, Avogadro number. Sulfur contains 16 electrons, 2 oxygen 16, so total number of electrons will be 32. 0.2 moles of ammonia, 0.2 moles directly given. Ammonia contains nitrogen 7 and each hydrogen 1, so 7 plus 3, 10 into 10 N. So it is 2 N electrons. 1.5 gram moles of oxygen, gram moles are nothing but moles, 1.5 moles mentioned. Oxygen means O2, if you are taking 16 electrons into N. 2 mole atoms, 2 atoms he mentioned, 1 sulfur atom you can take. 2 mole atoms means 2N into each sulfur contains 16. So just check in which maximum number is coming. First one will become 3.2N. This is 2N. This is 1.5 into 16N. So it will become 16, 24. 24N. And this is 2N into 16, 32N. So maximum present here. The number of moles of hydrogen in 0.224 liters of hydrogen gas at STP. Number of moles of hydrogen gas in 0.224 liters. 22.4 liters has 1 mole. 0.224 liters contains how many moles? 0.224 by 22.4. So the difference is, if you want to give your point, 10 to the power of minus 2. Thank you.